Okay, good morning, everyone. I am Shiraz from Slashcom Tech Kids. So nice to have you. I can see 58 participants so far. I would say, except for myself and my colleague who is doing the session today, Ansani. So without both of us, it's 56, which is an amazing crowd. So on behalf of Slashcom Tech Kids, first of all, I would like to thank Nadishani from Dialogue to organizing this. Uh, Hi kids, welcome on board. Just to have some housekeeping rules. Um, uh,
Hi.
as I mentioned, please have your mic, muted for some time until I go with the initial set of, slides, and also please disable the video as you log in. So let us start. So in the meantime, as we go on, I will allow you to ask questions by unmuting. For today's session, my colleague Hansani Jayasekara is also joining me. All we are going to do today is kind of a very basic introduction of what computer programming is all about, and we are going to use this tool called Scratch. So I'm sure that most of you are in the ages between 11 and 16, and already you have a component of programming in your syllabus, and from grade 6, especially from grade 7, you are studying Scratch. But today's session going to be a kind of a very interactive, engaging, and exciting session. So I'm so happy to have you today. Anyways, we'll begin. Um, Before learning programming, we will have some kind of a foundation set to have some concepts cleared, so that when you talk about programming and when we do coding, it will be really easy. So if you have any questions, please raise your hand or send a chat message, and we can answer those questions. Anyway, good. We can start. I think all of you can see my screen. Just a brief about Slashcom. I'm sure that you have some idea about Slashcom, but it is not necessary. So I'm going to skip this slide. Why learn coding? That's the biggest question that we are going to pose today. Why we want to learn coding? The main reason being, coding is such a, I would say very useful skill for the future, because most of the jobs in the future will revolve around coding. And most of the people are going to use coding a whole lot. Not only software engineers, not only software developers or programmers, app designers or mobile app engineers, also the teachers, the lawyers, the doctors and the engineers, they will involved in coding in one way or another. Okay, so coding is such an important skill, and it is going to play a very important role in the future. So it's important, and also it's one of the careers that you can earn a lot of money, right? A huge amount of money with work flexibility and whatnot. I'll give you a very simple example. The current crisis that we are having right now, the COVID-19 situation, we are in the lockdown. So if you take this situation, who are the most, I would say, who are the most busiest people right now? Are the software engineers or the people who are working in the software industry. Why? Because they can work from home. Whatever that they do, all the programs they can do from home. They don't need to go to the office. Okay, so that's one of the biggest advantages. So in the industry, software industry or the IT companies, you have a lot of these flexibilities. Okay, You can go abroad, you can go to countries like the USA, the UK, Sweden, United States, France, you name it. There are a lot of countries that people travel being software engineers. And also they'll earn a lot of money. And also software engineering or IT or programming is a good career for the girls. Why? They can work from home. There are companies that has the daycare centers. Can you believe that? There are companies. I was working for a company called WSO2 that has a daycare center. A lot of flexibility. So it's a very good career. About SLASSCOM Tech Kids. SLASSCOM Tech Kids is an initiative that started in 2018 to develop programming skills among kids in Sri Lanka. We have covered a lot of ground in the country, and most of the kids that we have reached out, I would like to mention that specifically we reached out through Dialogue. So Dialogue is doing an amazing job taking this initiative to outer regions, the Northeast and you name it, right? So why we want to have SLASSCOM Tech Kids initiative introduced to the schools? Because if you take, if I ask you right now, how many of you like ICT in school? I won't get many yes answers. I know that. Okay, not many people like ICT because in one way the content in school textbook is kind of boring and whatnot. We want to change that trend. We want to make sure that all of you like ICT, all of you like tech education, robotics and physical programming and whatnot. Okay, so that is one of our few of our objectives, and we target 9 to 16. I am sure that the kids that I can see right now in the participant list representing many schools. So we actually target 9 to 16, and also it is facilitated by the island-wide network of volunteers. So it's a volunteer-driven initiative. Also, we are actually the growth partner for Code Club International UK, which is a part of Raspberry Pi Foundation. Okay. What are we going to cover through SLASSCOM Tech Kids? Basically, we start with Scratch and then microbits. Sometimes we do code.org. And also eventually we do Python. Python being the de facto language and the most popular language right now, we do Python as well. Why? Because Scratch and microbits we have from grade 7. And as we go on for A-levels, we are having Python. So accordingly, we have set our curriculum. And through coding, you're going to learn a lot of stuff. When you become a good coder, when you learn coding, you won't be an ordinary person, right? You will be a person who thinks at things in a different way. Okay, right? So I'm getting a question. Yeah, we are talking in English. Somebody's asking, can we please have in English? Singlish. Okay, cool. Right then. මම මෙච්චර කියයින් හිටියේ කෝඩින් කියන දේ කෝඩින් කියන ඩිසිප්ලින් එක කොච්චර වටිනවද කියලා කොච්චර වැදගත්ද කියන එක ඉතින් අපි මේ ටෙක් කිඩ්ස් වැඩසටහනේ බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන්නේ මේ ළමයින්ගේ මේ ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑමින් කියන හැකියාව ප්‍රගුණ කරන එක පාසල් මට්ටමින් හරි කියන්නේ මේ කම්පනීස් කියන ආයතන මගින් මේ කෝඩින් කියන විෂය මේ ළමයින් තුල ඒ පිළිබඳ ඇල්මක් ඇති කරන එක තමයි අපේ මේ ව්‍යායාමයේ මූලිකම අරමුණ. හරි. So we'll go on. Sorry if I'm just continuing with English alone, please let me know. Right. So දැන් මේ වගේ ආයතන කීපයක අපි සම්බන්ධ වෙලා තියෙන coding සම්බන්ධයෙන්. So we have done lot of coding sessions for these companies, especially Dialogue. Dialogue has been, as I told you, instrumental to taking this initiative forward. And also the schools that we have all conducted or took on board. The පාසල් මට්ටමින් අපි cover කරලා තියෙන පාසල් මෙන්න මේවා. මුලින්ම Zahira විද්‍යාලයේ දැනටමත් coding sessions දෙකක් වෙනවා. Zahira College we have 2 coding sessions running, and also Asoka Vidyalaya, Sujata, and also Lindsay Balika, and the Maisonette College, Khandana. So these are the ministry approved schools, and we are working on these schools as well: Visakha Royal, Ananda, and St. Joseph's. මේ පාසල් මේ යටින් තියෙන පාසල් වලත් අපි සාකච්ඡා කරමින් ඉන්නවා. මේ පාසල් වලටත් මේ කෝඩින් විෂය අපිට මේව කරන්න. Shared screen has some areas missing. මම ෂෙයා කරන මේ එක පේනවාද කට්ටියට ස්ක්‍රීන් එක? Okay, hold on. Let me share again. Screen has some dark areas. Okay. Right, let's proceed, because when it comes to the real coding session, I don't think you will have a problem. අපි මේක කරගෙන යමු. මේ coding කරද්දී අපිට මේ ඒ ප්‍රශ්න ටික විසඳෙයි කියලා මම හිතනවා. බලමු. Right, එහෙනම් දැන් කට්ටියට පේන ඇති අපේ මේ සංඛ්‍යාව ගත්තොත් එහෙම we have 1131 kids we have trained, and also 40 coding sessions and 2 running code clubs. Okay, and this is the count that we have. ඒ වගේම දැන් අපි කියන්නේ මුළු ශ්‍රී ලංකාවම ගත්තොත් එහෙම මේ ප්‍රදේශවල අපි ළමයින්ට කෝඩින් කියලා දීලා තියෙනවා. හරි? කීයක්ද? 1131ක්. මේකේ වැඩියෙන්ම අපි කරලා තියෙන්නේ මේ ඩයලොග් මේ through dialogue මාර්ගයෙන්. අනිත් එක තමයි මෙන්න මෙතන ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පේනවා ඇති, there's a graph here and that shows you the representation of girls. Okay, representation of girls to boys. So we have 59% boys and 41% girls. Okay. Cool. So I think yes. Right. I think you can see my screen properly right now. Hold on. So if somebody can tell me they all can see the screen now. Okay, cool, better than before. Right, good. So good.
Hansini here.
Yeah, Hansini.
Still we have some dark area in the top of the screen.
On the top of the screen, that is because okay, that is because I am actually having the Zoom what do you call that also. That's fine. I will now. How's it now? Better?
Yeah, better.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much, Hansini. Thank you. Right, good. So this is the figure. So good thing is more and more girls are coming, අර අපි ඉස්සර තමයි තිබ්බේ මේකක් girls කට එච්චර මේ IT නැත්නම් ටෙක් පැත්ත එච්චර හරියන්නේ නැහැ කියන මේ ප්‍රවණතාවය දැන් එහෙම එකක් නැහැ. It's a good trend that the girls are actually coming into the industry, because we have to understand that girls are equally very competent and very competitive, very smart in relation to the boys. Why I say that? Just imagine who is the most productive person in the house. ගෙදර වැඩියෙන්ම වැඩ කරන එක්කෙනා කවුද? අම්මා නේද? Mother. Who can do multiple things at the same time. වැඩ කීපයක් කරන්න පුළුවන් කාටද? අම්මට තමයි පුළුවන්. අම්මට උයාගෙනම මේ ෆෝන් එකෙන් කතා කරගෙන උයාගෙන වොෂින් මැෂින් එකෙත් මේ ඒ දෙනවා. කොහොමද ඒවල අපිට මේ අම්මට විතරයි කරන්න පුළුවන්. තාත්තට කරන්න බෑනේ. ඒ හින්දා මේ software industry එකේත් අන්න ඒ වගේ ඒවා තියෙනවා. සමහර වෙලාවට industry එකේ වැඩ කරන software engineer අම්මා කෙනෙක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. එයා දරුවොත් බලාගෙන මේකත් කරගෙන ඒ වගේ හුඟක් දක්ෂතාවයන් තියෙනවා girls ලාට. දැන් ඒක තමයි මේ ප්‍රස්තාරයෙන් පෙන්වන්නේ. This actually indicates that women can play a big part in the future, right? Okay, cool. So now we will see the real concept. What is an algorithm? Algorithm එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? මේක තමයි අපි මුලින්ම ඉගෙන ගන්නෙ. The first concept that we are going to learn is this. What is an algorithm? Algorithm එකක් කියන්නේ කුමක්ද? හරි? Algorithm එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේකයි. සරලවම let me explain in English, then I will come back to Sinhalese. Algorithm is a series of steps that you can follow to finish a task. Very simple. Algorithm එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ මේ පියවරවල් මාලාවක්. ඒ පියවරවල් ටික ඔයගොල්ලෝ follow කරොත් එහෙම එක මොකක් හරි කාර්යයක් ඉටු කරන්න පුළුවන්. මේක තමයි algorithm එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ. බොහොම සරලව. හරි? උදාහරණයක් විදිහට අපි ගත්තොත් එහෙම මේ තේ එකක් හදන එක. Making a cup of tea as an algorithm. Okay? So what are the algorithms? I'm sure that you know how to make a cup of tea. So you take water, you boil it. In a separate jug, you put the sugar, you put this, you put that, and you come up with some series of steps in order to finish this task called making a cup of tea. Okay? So that's a good example of an algorithm. We'll see more examples. අපි තවත් බලමු. හරි තේ කෝප්පයක් හදන එකත් algorithm. වතුර උණු කරන්න ඕනේ ඊට පස්සේ භාජනයක් අරගෙන ඒකට පිටි දාන්න ඕනේ සීනි දාන්න ඕනේ අනේ වගේ ස්ටෙප්ස් ටිකක් තියෙන ඒක කරොත් තමයි මේ අන්තිමට අපි අර රසවත් තේ කෝප්පයක් හදා ගන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්නේ. So it's an algorithm, right? අපි බලමු තවත් algorithm. දැන් මං හිතනවා හැමෝටම කේක් එකක් හදන හැටි දන්නවා ඇති. ඉස්කෝලෙත් අර පීරියඩ් එකේ තියෙනනේ මේ මොකක්ද ලයිෆ් ස්කිල් පීරියඩ් එකේ දන්නවා ඇති. විශේෂයෙන්ම ඔතන ඉන්න ගෑනු දරුවෝ දූලා දන්නවා ඇති කේක් එකක් හදන හැටි. කේක් එකේ රෙසිපි එක තියෙද්දි ඒකත් ඇල්ගොරිතම් එකක්. How to make a cake, the recipe is also an algorithm which has a series of steps that you have to follow to make a cake, right? Another example is find a place find a location, right? In the street or whatever. It's an algorithm, okay? So there is a video. I don't think this video will play because I have a technical issue with regard to the video. So I'm not going to the video, but I'm going to just give you an idea about what an algorithm is. අපි මුලින්ම බලමු මේ ඇල්ගොරිතම් එකක් රියල් ලයිෆ් ඇල්ගොරිතම් එකක් අපි මේ පෙන්වන්න යන්නේ. හරි? හන්සනි අපිට කියලා දෙන්න පුළුවන්ද මේක කොහොමද අපි මුලින්ම මොකද්ද කරන්න ඕනේ මේ ඇල්ගොරිතම් එකක් තිබ්බොත් එහෙම. What do you need to do, Hansani?
Yeah. So these days we all are gardeners, right? We all do gardening. So we all know how to plant a bean, right? Have you all done gardening?
Yeah, possibly yes. These days they're at home, huh?
Okay, yeah, Shiraz too. So
yeah, yes.
So there are some steps we have to do when we are planting a seed, and in this example we have some steps that we don't need to do. So like there are steps like put the pot in sunlight, put seed in hole, hug an elephant, put glue on seed, fill pot with soil, poke hole in soil, water the pot, cover seeds with soil, and pour soda hop in pot. So first of all, we have to identify when doing something, what are the things we have to do and what are the things we don't need to do. So if I explain that in Sinhala.
Hello, Hansani, I lost your voice.
Am I clear right now?
It's not a little bit clear.
Hello.
Hello.
It's not a little bit, it's not clear.
Can you all hear me right now?
Yes.
Okay, Shiraz, am I clear right now?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. අපි ඒක සිංහලෙන් කිව්වොත් අපි හැමෝම
yeah, I think there is a problem. Let me check. Okay, good.
There's no problem. There's no problem.
Excuse me, I can't see the half of the screen. Hello?
Can you see now?
No, I can't see. I
Okay,
can't see. The half
okay,
of the screen is
okay,
like covered
okay,
with that ash.
okay, hold on, okay, hold on. Let me fix that, hold on.
Now better.
Now better, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it's better now.
Okay, okay, hold on. I can't. Can you guys hear Hansani Aki talking? Hello.
No.
No. Okay.
Can you
Hold
guys
on.
hear me?
All right. Now okay. Now okay, Hansani.
Still not?
No, it is okay now. I think it is okay. Yeah. If you can
Now okay.
now okay. If you can share your screen, that would be good,
Now
Hansani.
now you all can hear me, right?
Yeah. And also, if you can share your screen,
Okay,
Hansani.
sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So, Sunday morning we have some technical glitches with, the internet connection and whatnot. So that's the reason, but we'll get over that. Don't worry.
Yeah, but it's better now.
It's better now. Okay. Right.
Y'all can see.
Yeah, we can see. Yes,
Okay.
perfect.
So
Yes.
we were talking about planting a seed, right? So as I told you earlier, first of all, we have to identify what are the things we have to do and what are the things we do not need to do. Okay, so here we have some steps like මං ඉස්සලා ඉංග්‍රීසියෙන් කියපු නිසා මම සිංහලෙන් කියන්න. මෙතන තියෙනවා සන්ලයිට් එකේ තියන්න ඕනි කියලා පොට් එක, ඊළඟට අපි චුටි හිලක් හදලා සිදුරක් හදලා ඒකට සීඩ් එක දාන්න ඕනි කියලා, ඊළඟට එලිෆන්ට් කෙනෙක් හග් කරන්න ඕනි කියලා තියෙනවා. ඊළඟට අපි ඒ සීඩ් එකට ග්ලූ ඇප්ලයි කරන්න ඕනි කියලා තියෙනවා. තව තියෙනවා අපි ඒ පොට් එකට පස් පුරවන්න ඕනි කියලා. ඊළඟට තියෙනවා චූටි සිදුරක් හදන්න ඕනි කියලා. ඊළඟට අපි පොට් එකට වතුර දාන්න ඕනි කියලා තියෙනවා. ඊළඟට තියෙනවා සීඩ් එකට ඒක පස් වලින් වහන්න ඕනි කියලා. ඊළඟට තියෙනවා සෝඩා දාන්න ඕනි කියලා. එතකොට අපි මුලින්ම අයිඩෙන්ටිෆයි කරගන්න ඕනි අපි කරන්න ඕනි දේවල් මොනවාද, අපි කරන්න ඕනි නැති දේවල් මොනවාද කියලා. දැන් මේ ස්ක්‍රීන් එකේ තියෙන්නේ අපි කරන්න ඕනි නැති ටික අයින් කරලා. So in this screen we have removed the things that we don't need to do when we are planting a seed. Okay, so we don't need to hug an elephant when we are planting a seed, and we don't need to put glue on the seed, and we don't need to pour soda in it either. Okay, so but these things that we have to do are not in the correct order, because just putting the pot in the sunlight doesn't do anything to our seed, right? So there are some specific sequence, a specific order that we have to follow to plant a seed in a pot. In this example, also we have avoided the things that we don't have to do, but yet that is not in the order. දැන් අපි මෙතන තියෙන ස්ක්‍රීන් එකේ අපි කරන්න ඕනේ නැති ස්ටෙප්ස් ටික අයින් කරලා තියෙන්නේ. ඒ වුණාට තාමත් අපි මේක හරි ඕඩර් එකකට නෙමෙයි තියලා තියෙන්නේ. ඔන්න. අපි මුලින්ම කරන්න ඕනි when we are planting a seed, first of all we have to fill the pot.
I can't hear.
How is it now, Shiraz?
I can hear. I think my son, you may have to just try increasing your volume.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Okay. First of all, we have to fill the pot with soil. Okay, that's going to be the first step. මුලින්ම අපි ගන්න pot එකට පස් පුරවන්න ඕනේ. Then we have to poke a hole in the soil. ඊළඟට අපි චූටි සිදුරක් හදන්න ඕනේ ඒ පුරවපු පස් වල. Then we have to put the seed in that hole. ඊළඟට අපි හදපු චූටි සිදුරට මේ අපි පැල කරන්න ගන්න ඇටේ දාන්න ඕනේ. ඊළඟට then we have to cover that seed with soil. අපි ඒක වහන්න ඕනේ පස් වලින්. Then we have to put that pot in the sunlight. අපි ඒක අවුව වැටෙන තැනකින් තියන්න ඕනේ. ඊළඟට ඒ pot එකට අපි daily වතුර දාන්න ඕනේ. We have to water the pot daily. So that's how we plant a seed in the pot. So likewise, we have a sequence, or we have particular steps to do everything in our day-to-day life. So Shiraz?
Yeah. Right. Cool. So thank you, Hansani. Yeah. So I think all of you can see my screen. So what Hansani Aki did was first remove all the unnecessary details. Ita passe put the stuff in order. Okay, in this order, and she did. Okay, I am sure that you can figure it out. I know that most of you know how to make paper planes. Api balamu then paper plane ekak hadaddi me mokadda hold on, mum me poddak mute karanna kattiyawa. Hari, දැන් ඇහෙනවනේ කට්ටිය නේද? Right, good. අපි paper plane එකක් හදනවා නම් මොකද්ද තියෙන steps ටික අර කලින් කරපු ටික අපි කරලා බලමු. The exercise that we did earlier, we will do right now. Okay. So if you take the what do you call making a paper plane, these are the steps. Paper plane එකක් හදන්න මේක තමයි අවශ්‍ය මේක තමයි steps ටික. හැබැයි මේකේ සමහර steps අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. There are steps which are not needed. Okay, so we will try to remove those steps. So for an example, do you need cut center out of paper? You don't need that step, right? I mean, that step is not really not needed. Okay. So there's a question that is coming saying what do you call the voice is not really clear. Sometimes at your end there will be some internet issues. Let us take a kind of a question. I'm going to pose a question. Can you all hear me?
No.
Can you all hear me clearly?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Right. So I think the
Yes.
Dua or Puta who said it's breaking up. Maybe it's the internet connection from your end, my dear. So let's proceed. So cut center out of paper is not needed. You don't cut the center of the paper to make paper planes. Api me kole meda me aha karanna ehema neda. It was a crease paper down the center. Anna eka karanna one. Api eka karanna one. Crumble paper. කොලේ නිකන් ගුලි කරලා විසික් කරනවාද නෑ ඒක කරන්නේ නෑ මොකද සමහරලාට ඔය තරහා ගියාම එහෙම කරනවා ඇති කට්ටිය මේ paper plane එකක් හදන්න යද්දි හැබැයි normally එහෙම කරන්නේ නෑ we don't do that normally. Fold top corners to center, yes we do. Toss finish plane, yes we do. Rip corner of paper, no. Fold corner sides to center, yes. Fold paper in half again, yes. Pull sides down, yes. These are the things that we do and the things that we do not do. Now, අපි බලමු දැන් ඒ ටික අයින් කරමුකෝ මුලින්ම. ඒ ටික අයින් කරා මෙන්න මේ ඊළඟ ටික අපි දැන් මේක දාන්න පුළුවන් order එකකට. We can put this thing in order, okay? So this is the first one and the second and the third and the fourth and fifth and the sixth. මේක තමයි order එක plane එකක් හදන හැටි. දැන් මේක ඔයගොල්ලෝ A4 කොලයක් අරගෙන මේ විදිහට plane එකක් හැදුවොත් එහෙම අනිවාර්යයෙන් මේ plane එක ලස්සනට උඩ යන්න ඕනේ නේද? හරි? ඒක තමයි plane එකේ හදන මේක. දැන් අපි දැනගත්තා කොහොමද මොකක්ද algorithm එක? algorithm එකක් આવොත් එහෙනම් මොකද්ද මුලින්ම කරන්න ඕනේ? ඊට පස්සේ algorithm එකක් example එකක් අරගෙන examples දෙකක් අරගෙන real life එකේ තියෙන examples දෙකක් අරගෙන අපි ඕක කරා. So we know what an algorithm is. Okay, we did 2 examples of how to come up with an algorithm, right? And we know what this algorithm is all about. All right, what is coding? What is coding? The next question is, what is coding? Coding is not a very big thing. Okay, if somebody asks you what is coding, okay, somebody asks you after going today, after this session, somebody will ask you, what did you learn? You say coding. Okay, what is coding? Then you have to have an answer. This is the answer. Okay, start like this. You say, you know, computer is not a very smart machine. Computer is not a very smart machine. It is not very smart like us. Computer කියලා කියන්නේ බුද්ධිමත් මේ machine එකක් නෙමෙයි. අපි කියන දේ ආ කරනවා. Computer will do whatever that we ask it to do. Computer is not a very smart machine. Okay? So අපි computer ට කියන්න ඕනේ මේ දේවල් කරන්න, මේක කරන්න කියලා කියන්න ඕනේ අපි. ඒක කියන එක order එකකට අපි කියන්න ඕනේ. නිකන් instruction එකක් දෙනවා, ඊළඟට තව instruction එකක් දෙනවා. එහෙම දෙන්න ඕනේ අපි. මෙන්න මේ instructions පිළිවෙලින් එක පිළිවෙලකට දෙන එක ඒක අපි computer එකට දාන එකට තමයි කියන්නේ coding කියලා. හරි? Coding is nothing but telling the computer what it should do. That's all what coding is. Although people are doing, you know, you see software engineers, all of them are doing some really fancy stuff, but all of them are doing basically this, right? They are telling the computer what to do using instructions that is made up of words, numbers, which are put in order that tells computer what to do. This is what coding is. Okay, very simple. Now we'll talk about Scratch. Then බලමු අපි Scratch එක ගැන අපි පොඩි විස්තරයක් බලමු. Scratch එක හදලා තියෙන්නේ ඇමරිකාවේ MIT විශ්වවිද්‍යාලයේ. Scratch is developed by a group of researchers from this university called MIT. And this is the team, and one person you can see in the middle is Dr. Mitch Resnick and the rest of the team. Okay, why they made Scratch? They made Scratch to ensure that all the kids in the world should know computer programming. ඇයි ඒගොල්ලෝ Scratch එක හැදුවේ? ලෝකේ ඉන්න හැම ළමයෙක්ම programming කියන මේක හොඳට ඉගෙන ගන්න ඕනේ. අන්න ඒක තමයි මේ ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ අරමුණ උනේ. ඒ නිසා ඒගොල්ලෝ ලස්සන ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම් එකක් හැදුවා Scratch කියලා. මේ Scratch එක ගත්තොත් එහෙම ලෝකේ බිලියන ගාණක් Scratch use කරනවා. ලෝකේ බිලියන ගාණක් Scratch use කරනවා. Okay, මිලියන ගාණක්. දැන් බලන්න මේ දත්ත billions of people in the world are using Scratch. If you take this example, this is taken in 2017. Now we are in 2020. Now we have 2017, we had 18 million users. Now I am sure it's way more than that. Okay, right. So the darkest place are the people who are using most Scratch. Okay, good. ඊළඟට අපි බලමු අනිත් concept එක තමයි what is a sequence. හංසනි අපිට කියලා දෙන්න පුළුවන්ද sequence එකක් කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියලා? හංසනි? Hansani, you are there? Yeah, okay, yeah. Sequence. Yeah.
Yeah, a sequence is, if I tell the definition of that, instructions performed in order with each executed in turn is called a sequence. අපි සරලව කියනවා නම් instruction එකක් අපි දෙන්න ඕනි, ඒක අපි දෙන්න ඕනි specific order එකකට. ඒ වගේ දෙයකට තමයි අපි කියන්නේ sequence එකක් කියලා. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි මොකක් හරි කරන්න ඕනි දෙයක් ගැන කරන්න ඕනි පිළිවෙලත් එක්ක කරන්න ඕනි විදිහ කියන දේ.
Yeah. Okay. Hansani?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you break or okay? So we will see one example. Then අපි scratch එකෙන් example එකක් පෙන්නමු අපි sequence එකක් මොකක්ද කියලා නේද? හැමෝටම ඇහෙනවද? Okay cool. එහෙනම් අපි scratch එකෙන් අපි වැඩේ පටන් ගමු. දැන් තමයි අපි නියමයට කරන්න යන්නේ මේ අපේ programming part එක. ඒක කරන්න මම මගේ screen එක share කරන්නම්. මුලින්ම මම කියලා දෙන්නම් scratch එකට යන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා. මුලින්ම මේක කරන්න ඕනේ නේද? අපි scratch එකට යන්නේ කියන එක අපි මුලින්ම කරන්න මම screen එක share කරන්නම්. Then now I think all of you can see my screen. It is a screen that is a browser. So I have used a browser called Brave. හරි මගේ browser එක Brave කියලා browser එකක්. හැබැයි ඔයගොල්ලෝ ගාව Google Chrome තියනවා නම් හුඟක් හොඳයි. ඊළඟට Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome ඒකෙන් අපිට මේ Scratch එක load කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Right? So we will load Scratch. All you have to do is open up a new browser, a browser window like this. Then you go and type something like this here. Scratch online editor. මෙහෙම කියලා ඔයගොල්ලෝ enter කරන්න ඕක. හරි? ඔහොම enter කරාම මෙන්න මේ search results වලට යනවා. If you enter, it will go to these search results. Right? Then the first search result is Scratch Imagine Program Share. So you go and click on that. So when you click on that, it will go to the Scratch screen. Okay? When you go here, මෙතන තියෙනවා බලන්න මෙතන හුඟක් icons මේ tabs තියෙනවා මේකට ගිහිල්ලා මේ create කියන එක අපි click කරන්න ඕනේ. create කියන එක අපි click කරන්න ඕනේ. දැන් කට්ටිය ඉක්මනටම මේක කරනවාද? Can all of you just go to the Scratch screen and try to load this Scratch window? Now you will come to this and come here and click on this to close this tutorial. We don't need it. Now, can you all come to this screen? This screen, can you please open up a new browser? Can you open up this thing? Already done. Many of you have already done. Okay, good. Already done. Good. Right. So let me explain certain things in this screen. Okay. Let me explain first, then we can do the coding. Now, this is called in the screen, this is called the code palette. This is called the code palette. See, in this code palette, you have different kinds of code or code blocks basically. Motion, all the motion blocks are here. Move, ara kriyakarakam sambandha hema code ekakma tiyenne menna metana. Move, turn, hari turn left, turn right, me hema ekakma tiyenne metana. Look sambandha ewa tiyenne menna metana meke. Sound සම්බන්ධ ඒවා තියෙන්නේ මෙන්න මේකේ. හරි? මෙන්න ඒ වගේ පාටින් ඒක කැටගරයිස් කරලා තියෙනවා අපේ ලේසියට. හරි? මෙන්න මේක තමයි code palette එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ. මෙන්න මේ මැද මේක තියෙන ප්‍රදේශ තියෙන්නේ මේ this area is called the script area. This area is called the script area. So you have the code palette, we have the script area. And this place is called the stage, okay? And this guy is called a sprite. Sprite කියලා කියන්නේ Scratch program එකක චරිතයක්. Sprite is a character in a program, okay, that we create. That we can put any number of sprites on the stage. Okay, how to do that is we come here. First of all, we will do a kind of a very small farm like thing, you know. අපි නිකන් පොඩි farm එකක් හදමු. farm එකක් හදලා අපි පොඩි characters ටිකක් දාලා බලමු program එකක් හදලා කොහොමද වැඩ කරන්නේ කියලා එක. හරි? මම මුලින්ම මේක අයින් කරනවා. කොහොමද මේ පූසාව අයින් කරන්නේ? මෙතන ඇවිල්ලා මෙන්න මේක ක්ලික් කරොත් එimhe එයා ගියා. හරි? ඊළඟට අපි sprites ටිකක් දාමු screen එකට. කොහොමද දාන්නේ? How do we insert a sprite here? You come here, you click on this. Then you go to, I'll take, then balanna loads of sprites are loaded here. Lots of sprites. But we will take one specific sprite and they are in some categories, right? Under some categories. So we'll go to animals and we'll take a sprite like, you can take any sprite that you want. I am going to make up a farm. I will put an, okay, I will put a rooster.
Uncle, can you repeat how to go to sprites?
Okay, how to go to sprite. Okay, let me do the next sprite, then you will understand.
How to go to sprites?
Okay, hold on. Let me, the sprite is getting loaded. Hold on. I think I did. Right, now the sprite came. I will do another sprite, then you will understand. Okay, you go here. Okay, you click on choose a sprite. You click on that, and you will have loads of sprites. And you, if you want a specific type of sprite, or if you want to add an animal, you go and click on this, and all the animals will be listed. All the animals will be listed. Then you search for some animals in the farm. Let's say hare. Okay, I'll take the hare now. Okay, I took the rooster. I took the hare. Okay. Right, now I will have to put a backdrop. I have to put a background or a backdrop, we call backdrop. So where to put the backdrop from is, මෙන්න මෙතනට ඇවිල්ලා මෙතන click කරනවා choose a backdrop කියලා button එක. ඒක add කරාම උන්න backdrops හුඟක් එනවා. මෙතන දැක්කද? හුඟක් එනවා. දැන් අපිට අවශ්‍ය backdrop එක අපිට මේකෙන් ගිහිල්ලා හොයාගන්න පුළුවන්. So I am going to have this backdrop called farm. So I got this backdrop. Then I took the rooster here.
Sorry.
Put the hare here. Right. Can you do this quickly and take these two?
How to go to the backdrop?
How to go to the backdrop is you come here, you click on this. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, you can see choose a backdrop. You click on that. When you click on that, you will go and you can take any backdrop, but in this case you can take a backdrop which is to do with farm. මේ තියෙන මේ farm කියලා backdrop එක ඒක click කරන්න. ඒක click කරොත් එimhe ඉබේම backdrop එක එතනට එනවා. හරි?
Thank you, sir.
No problem.
Thank you, sir. Already done.
Already done. Okay, then we will do the programming now. Now here what I have to do is, what I'm going to do is rather is this rooster will walk towards this what do you call a hare or rabbit, and sorry, this is a hare, right? This is hare. It will go near the hare and it will make a noise like a rooster. How the rooster make noise, you know, everyone knows. So we'll do that. Okay, we'll do that. How to do that is, first of all, we have to click on the rooster. Click on the rooster. See, I'm going to click on the rooster sprite. Okay, so the rooster sprite is what do you call selected. Then I go to events. Then I take these code blocks that starts the program. I have to take the code blocks that starts the program. So we can start the program in many ways. One is when the green color flag is clicked. The other one is, there are so many ways. For this exercise, I will take this one. I'll take and put it here. Okay. If I don't want a code block, if I want to delete, I just put it back here. It will be deleted. Now I want the code block. I'll put it here. Now, the next thing that I have to do is I go to motion, because this rooster has to go near the hare, right? So I go to this and take this move 10 steps. Then we'll see how it works. See, it is moving, isn't it? It is moving, but it is moving a bit slow or in shorter steps. So I will do like maybe 50, sorry, maybe I'm going to change maybe saying 50, another block 50. Then after going near the hare, let's see whether it is actually going. Let's see, 50, see it is going. Okay, so we will do this and then we will put another 50. We'll do another 50. And then we go to sounds. You take this block called play sound rooster. Now let's see how this actually works. The rooster is going few steps, basically 150 steps altogether, and it will make a noise. Let's see. Okay, it will make a sound. Let's see. Okay. Okay, can you hear? Right? So very simple. Very simple. It is going near the hair and it is making a sound. Right? So I am sure that you have got an idea how this works. I'm going to give you 3 minutes for you to come up with this whole thing about writing a very simple programming scratch. Then the next one that we are going to do is
I have put the program, but it doesn't work.
It doesn't work, is it?
Yeah.
What is the problem? Did you, okay, first of all, you check whether you have clicked on the rooster.
Okay.
Have you clicked on the rooster?
Yeah.
Okay, did you put these code blocks together?
Yeah.
Okay, now go and click on the green color flag.
Green.
Are you using a tab or a laptop?
Laptop.
Okay, so it should work. It's still not working. Hello?
There is no green color flag on it. Ah, yeah, I found it.
There should be a green color flag.
It worked.
Okay, very good. Well done. Now, we have done this. Now, next thing that we are going to do is actually Hansanayaki will show you how to do a very beautiful space animation. Okay, a space animation which I will show you first. Then Hansani auntie will take you through that space animation. So I'm going to load. Okay, by the way, let me tell you how to save this work. Now you have done this work now. So how to save this work for later use or to show later on. How to save this work? You go here, you click on file, okay, and you will get new load from your computer, save to your computer. You click on save, then you can save it anywhere. I would rather say you save it in a place that you are already familiar with. You can save saying the project, I'll give a name called My Farm, okay? So I can save it like that, right? And also, if you want to make that, loaded again, now let's say this is, I mean, when you come to the initial screen, this is what you get. Now, if you want to load that program that you have already saved, you go to file, you say load from your computer. I think, where did I save? I saved, I don't know, maybe some place, but I can actually load that. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to load the already done, what do you call, lost in space program to my this thing, completed projects. This is where I have stored lost in space. Okay. මෙන්න මේ ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම් එක තමයි අපි හදන්න යන්නේ. Okay, මොකද්ද මේ ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම් එක කෙරෙන්නේ කියලා අපි පොඩ්ඩක් බලමු. I will run and show you how this program works. Okay, how this program works. First of all, we have to have this rocket spaceship coming from here to go towards the earth. මෙන්න මේ spaceship එක යන්න ඕනේ මෙන්න මෙහෙම යන්න ඕනේ. හරි? බලමු මේක යනවාද කියලා බලමු. Let's see. It say let's go. Oh, really good. See, it went. Okay, ඊට පස්සේ මෙන්න මේ අනිත් ඒවා අපි බලමු මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ කියලා බලමු. Oops. Right, දැන් යනවා ඔන්න spaceship එක යනවා. ඒක හරි. ඊළඟට මෙන්න මේ වඳුරෙක් ඉන්නවනේ, there's a monkey. it should rotate like this. See, it should rotate like this. Then you have a rock that actually just go here and there. මේ ග්‍රාහකේ අපි කියන මේකට ග්‍රාහකයක් කියලා. අභ්‍යවකාශයේ තියෙන ලොකු පර්වත වලට කියන අපි ග්‍රාහකයක් කියලා. The big rocks we say asteroids in English. Okay, so these asteroids should go just like this. And also we have this star, and this star should blink, you know, becoming big and small, big and small. මෙන්න මේ තරුවත් නිකන් මෙහෙම බැබලෙන්න ඕනේ. ඒක තමයි වෙන්න ඕනේ. දැන් බලමු අපේ හංසනීයක්කී අපිට කියලා දෙයි මේ ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම් එක කොහොමද හදන්නේ කියලා. මේ ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම් එකේ වැදගත්ම දේ තමයි මුලින්ම අපි මේ රොකට් එක හදාගමු. First of all, we'll make this rocket. Okay? So, හංසනීයක්කී, are you there? Hansani?
Yes, Shiraz.
Okay, so Hansani, you can share your screen and we will teach these kids how to make the rocket first. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, cool.
So can you all see my screen now? I'm already in the editor. I hope you all can see my screen.
Yes, I can see the screen.
Okay. So first of all, as we did earlier, we have to get rid of this cute cat, okay? Because he's not going to be a character in our new animation. So we are going to right click it and delete. Okay. And then we are going to add the sprite. So first of all, we are going to add the earth sprite and the ship sprite. Okay, now I have my earth sprite here, and then I'm going to add the ship. Okay, this is my rocket ship. Okay.
Miss, I don't have the earth
All
sprite.
appearance of our ship.
Earth
Can you please type it here?
You can type it here.
The search.
Yes, in the search you can type.
Write E,
Okay, yeah.
A, and it will give you it. Okay, okay, right?
Okay.
Now we have, okay. So this is the default appearance of our ship, but we need to do some adjustments. To do an adjustment to a sprite, we have to click that particular sprite here and go to the costumes. Okay, so here we have, here we can do the required changes. Okay, I'm going to use this arrow operator and select this one, and then I can rotate my ship, and we have the smoke of that ship too, so I'm going to rotate that one as well. Okay, now it's done. Now I'm coming here. So I want this program to be run when I click on this this flag, this green flag. Okay, right?
Miss, I can't
Shiraz
take
did
the
in the
rocket sprite to that.
Sorry?
I
You
can't
can't
take
take?
into the that. How to make it?
You can't make it.
Do you want me
is
to
it?
explain how to rotate that one? මම එතකන් මම මේක ආයේ සිංහලෙන් කියන්නම්. අපි මුලින්ම කරන්නේ earth එක. ඒ කියන්නේ අපේ පෘථිවිය අපි මෙතන මේ sprite එකක් විදිහට, ඒ කියන්නේ character එකක් විදිහට ගන්නවා. ඊළඟට අපි rocket එකකුත් ගන්නවා. දැන් අපි add කරපු විදිහ ඉස්සෙල්ලත් දැක්කනේ. දැන් add කරගන්න පුළුවන් වුණාද? ඒක rotate කරගන්න පුළුවන් වුණාද?
Oh.
හරි. Okay, then shall we move on?
Hansani,
How to rotate it?
Yeah.
How
Yes,
to
Shiraz.
rotate it?
how to
Okay.
rotate it?Eka podak pennanna. Yes.
Okay, sure. So we have to go to costumes. We have the code, costumes, and sound tabs, and now I'm in the costumes tab. And get this arrow operator here. You all can see that, right? And then select the sprite here and get this and take it to here, to this arrow kind of a thing. And you can rotate it the way you want, okay? All of you got it? I hope so.
Uh,
Hansani,
Yeah,
අපි ලස්සන background එකකුත් දාමු නේද ඔකට?
yeah, sure. Okay, now I came back to the code and now,
rotate it.
sorry?
I can't rotate it still.
Are you using a tab or a laptop, my dear?
I'm using a computer.
Okay, computer, you should be able to just Hansani Aki, can you delete the rocket and do from the beginning so that they will get it?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to add my sprite again. Okay, I got it. I came back to the costume and I took the arrow operator here and selected the sprite in the editing area. And here we have this sign, this arrow sign, right? This rotate sign. And when I take my mouse pointer there, it turns to a palm, and using that, I'm turning it. And I'm going to stop it in this position. You all got it?
But it's not turning now.
You have to turn it, my dear. You have to move your mouse and turn it. You have to click there. You have to click on the palm. Sorry, you have to click on that arrow, and you have to turn your mouse a little bit.
Hansani, we will, okay, just want to know, Shihara, are you the person who's finding it difficult?
No.
Who's having the problem of turning the rocket ship?
Dinet.
What's the name?
Dinet.
Dinet, Dinet, is your mom or dad near you?
No.
How old are you, Dinet?
I'm 11.
Yeah, okay. So Dinet should be able to, is there any way that you can share your screen? Dinet, you know how to share the screen? No. Okay, Dinet, okay. Dinet, we'll do like this, okay? Now, you are finding it a little difficult. I don't know, maybe your trackpad has a problem, it seems. What we will do is we'll continue like this, and I will share this recording with you. You can try later. Shall we do that?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, cool. Okay, Hansani, yes.
Yeah. So now we are going to add a nice backdrop to our program. Okay. I clicked on here on the backdrops, and there we have lots of backdrops, and I'm going to select the space one, and I'm going to add the stars one. Okay. Now we have a suitable and beautiful backdrop to our program, and now I'm going to start the coding. Okay. So now I want this ship to be reach the Earth when I click on the flag. Okay. First of all, I couldn't tell you that as good programmers, we all have to save our work before we start working. So I'm going to give a meaningful name. I'm going to give a name like, sorry?
How do you delete the backdrop?
You have to change it.
You can't delete it.
Shiraz, can you help with that? We can change the backdrop.
Okay.
Okay.
Make it blank.
Shiraz, I lost the screen sharing.
Amma. Amma. මෙතන පොඩ්ඩක් එන්න පුළුවන්ද? I can't rotate the rocket still. Come on now. Yeah, I can't rotate now. Still I can't. Make a.
Hello. Hello. Can you see my screen, all of you?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So you want to know how to what do you call delete the backdrop, right? Okay.
Yeah.
If you want to delete the backdrop, go and click on the backdrop here first. Okay. Click on the backdrop, right? And then you come here, click on this backdrop tab. After that, you go and click on this bin-like thing. Backdrop would be gone. Get it? Okay.
You have to click on to what?
First of all, you have to go and click on this backdrop. Okay. You have to go and hold on. You have to okay, I will add a backdrop and then I will show you how to delete. I will add a backdrop, let's say like this. Let's say this is the backdrop that I have added, but I have to delete this backdrop. This is not the backdrop that I want. What I do is go and click on the backdrop here. Can you see backdrop? Okay. You go and click on this backdrop under stage. You have the backdrop. You click on that to select, and you come here to the backdrop, and then you go and click on this backdrops tab, and then this cycle, this delete bin icon, then it's gone. Okay. Hello.
Okay.
Did you get? Okay. Hansani, you can continue.
Okay, Shiraz. Okay, I'm sharing again.
Okay.
Okay, so I want my ship to reach Earth when I click on this green sign. So it's similar to what Shiraz did earlier. So I'm going to select the event when click the green flag, and then I'm going to set the pointing direction to 0. Okay, so we have those things in here.
Hansani?
Yeah.
I think you have to click on the rocket ship. It is not coming because it's, yeah, exactly, exactly, yes.
I'm going to point in direction. First of all, I have to put the event again, and then I'm going to put the pointing direction to 0. So we have to change it from here. Okay, I got it.
Hansani, why do you put as 0? What is the reason? So
then we can, we don't need to change it. We have to point it to that way. So can you please explain it?
Basically, the reason is you have to treat this as a graph, graph prastara. Okay, it's like a graph paper. Then point in the direction of 0 means now the 0 is in the middle, no? It's in the middle. Yeah. So the rocket ship should turn towards that direction in order to go to the earth. That's what we are setting this as
we
0.
all know the Cartesian plane, right? I think it's in the curriculum, right, Shem?
Yeah, Cartesian thala.
The Cartesian plane where this one, yeah, this one is the x-axis, sorry, y-axis, and this one is the x-axis. So we have the 0 is somewhere here. So we want our ship to move towards this direction. That's why we are pointing it to 0. Okay. And then, as we explained earlier, in our Cartesian plane, if we divide it into 4 equal pieces like this area is the minus section. So I want my rocket to be started from somewhere here. Okay, so I'm going to set that like this. Go to x, let's say minus 150, and here also 150. Okay, and before moving, I want my rocket to say, let's go for some amount of time. Okay, so we are going to the looks tab and get this one and paste it here. Okay, so then my ship is going to say hello, and I'm going to change it to let's go. Okay, and it's going to say let's go for 2 seconds. And so I want this ship to move towards the earth. It should be moving towards the earth. Okay, and I'm going to again to the motion and select point towards the earth. In this drop down, we have the earth sprite, and we are going to select it. Okay, and then we are going to glide it like this.
Yeah, it's going.
Is it moving now?
Yeah, it's moving.
We are going to put it like this.
Yeah,
Okay?
it's moving.
Now we want to move it somewhere here.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's try. Okay, right? So it's moving towards the earth.
Yes.
Could you all do this?
Yes.
Okay.
Going.
Okay, shall we do using the repeat block, or shall we add the other sprites?
We'll add another sprite.
Shiraz?
The app doesn't.
Sorry. Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, now this rocket is going, but ඒක එච්චර අර ලස්සනට යන්නේ නැහැ මේ මැද හිර වෙනවා වගේ. හරි? අපි දැන් බලමු මේ rocket එක පෘථිවියටම යන්න මොකක්ද අපි කරන්න ඕනේ කියලා. We'll see in order for this rocket to reach the earth what you have to do. Okay? So Hansanayake will show you how to reach the rocket to the earth using the repeat block. So to do that, we have to remove the glide, no? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I have removed the glide block here, and I'm going to add the repeat block. So with this one, we can instruct our sprites to do something for a specific number of times. Okay. So here I'm going to change it to like say 200, and I'm asking it to move 2 steps. Okay, shall we try it now? I have clicked my rocket sprite here and click the green flag. Oh, it's passing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what about
Right now.
this? Okay, so that's how we use the repeat block.
Excuse me, but my rocket doesn't say let's go.
Okay, have you added this block, this purple color block? Say let's go for 2 seconds one. Have you added that?
Yeah.
You have added that, but yet it's not working. So have
Yeah.
you followed the exactly same model like like the one in the screen?
Yes.
It should work, no, my dear.
Yes.
It should work.
But it doesn't say let's go.
Did you change the text, my dear?
No.
Is it saying something else?
Huh?
You have to change that one, my dear.
Ah.
You have to change the text in that block. Okay, right?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Shiraz.
Now,
So then what
Hans,
are you going to do?
yeah, Hansani, shall we?
Yeah.
Now, this rocket is going, yes, but
Yes.
normally when something is going from near to the very far place, it should become smaller and smaller, no?
Yeah.
And also, can we make this rocket like blinking lights and going like, you know? So can we do that?
Sure, we'll do that.
Yeah.
Okay, now we are going to
Excuse me, I have a question.
Yeah, my dear, tell me. Yes, yes.
Sorry to disturb, sir. I couldn't log in at the correct time at 10:30. Is it possible the fully recorded one to my email after this, because I was really keen, interesting of this.
Okay, my son, what's your name?
Nejan Bandar, sir.
Nejan, how old are you, Nejan?
I'm 13.
13, okay, fantastic. What we will do is, Nejan, I am actually recording this session, okay? But once I recorded, I have to do some editing, then I will upload to YouTube. Then I will actually share with you, but you have to, give me your email ID. Can you drop an email to my account? That is, I'm going to put that in the chat. What's your name again, by the way?
Nejan Bandar.
Nejan, you have logged in as Nejan, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to send you a message with an email ID. You send me an email for that. Once the recording is uploaded to the YouTube, I will send you the link of the YouTube link, okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you. Because that I want to learn it from the beginning because I couldn't log it. That's why.
No problem. I will send you all the details. No worries, okay?
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you, teacher.
No worries.
Okay. And now I'm going to change the color. So I'm going to add that part to here. Okay. I'm going to put the whole block inside this repeat. Okay. Now let's see how it works. Okay, now it's changing color, right?
Excuse me, how did you put the color on the thing?
Yeah, I didn't do any changes. I just dropped the change color block in the looks section. Could you locate that one? It's in the look section.
But I have it like pitch. Change pitch affected by
Sorry.
it's not color.
Okay, in the drop down, can you change that one? That's what you're telling, right? Just click on that arrow key. And do you have color there?
No.
You don't?
It's okay, miss. It's okay.
It's working.
You're not, but I'm disturbing now. It's
Okay. Shiraz, can we help her after the session? Or
Yeah, I think
can we make
after the
some
session,
arrangement?
exactly, we can do.
Okay. Okay.
What's your name, my dear? What's your name?
Ehara.
Ehara. How old are you, Ehara?
14.
14. Can you, Ehara, can you, after this session, okay, I will continue for a little bit and you can, we can work together and sort the thing out, okay?
Okay, thank you, sir.
No problem.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
With
sorry?
with the help of my mother, I could rotate the rocket ship. Now it's okay.
Fantastic. That's beautiful. Thank you. Yeah.
Excuse me, my
Right. Okay, Hansani, you can continue.
Yeah. Now we are going to now we have already changed make our ship to change the color, and now we are going to change the size of it as well. Okay. For that also we have a block in the loop section.
This is totally wrong. Look at this. No, you have to point, say towards C. It's one somewhere else. Is your mic on?
I'm going to grab this one and put it here, and I'm going to change it. I'm going to change the number here to -3. Okay. And I'm going to move on block to here.
Excuse me.
Yes, my dear.
Something's wrong with my coding. Every time when it points at Earth, it points somewhere else.
Somewhere else. So have you selected this point towards Earth thing? 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth one, the fifth block in my code. Have you changed it to towards Earth? Okay.
Yes, I have.
Have you done that?
Yes.
So, and what about the initial one? The point in direction, the second one, have you changed it to 0?
That's at 0. That
Sorry?
was,
That's again 0, right?
yes.
Okay. The third one is also okay, right? Is it minus 150 to I minus 150?
Yes,
That's
it is.
also correct, right? Then it should work, my dear. Shiraz, any insights on that?
I am not seeing any reason why it is not working. Okay, what's your name?
Daniel.
Can you stay after this session is over? Can you stay a little bit? I can help you. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. Okay. Right. Hansani, now there's a problem.
Yes, we can't see it at all, right?
Yes, we cannot see when we run the second time, it is still the 0. Yeah. I mean, it's still small. Yeah.
Yeah.
So what can we do about it?
Excuse me, I'm Shahar.
Yes.
I found
So what?
change color effect. That.
You changed it.
Yeah, I found it.
Okay. Very
Okay.
good. Very
Okay.
good.
Perfect. Okay, Shiraz. So what's the size you want me to change?
No, we can actually change it to -1 But what I'm saying is, when every time the program starts, the rocket should start from its original size, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. What shall
So
we
we have to
do?
set, so we
Yeah.
have to set the initial size, right?
Exactly. Exactly.
Okay. So I'm going to add another part to here. I'm going to again to looks, and here we have a block set size to 100. Okay, shall we try it now? Okay, now it's moving, right? Shall we try it again? Now at the beginning it's in the perfect size, and when it's moving only, it's reducing the size. Okay.
Okay, now let me take you through how to add something rotating. Okay, so Hansini, shall I take over?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I'm going to share my screen to show you how to add something rotating. Okay, now we have to put something rotating. What you have to do is, I'm going to add that sprite now. Go here. There is a nice dog that actually can be used to rotate. So I say it's called dot. So I'm going to insert that sprite of dot, and I'm going to make this dog rotated. හරි මේ මට ඕනේ දැන් මේ බල්ලා කැරකෙනාට නිකන් කැරගෙන්න ඕනේ අභ්‍යාකාශේ. හරි කොහොමද ඒක කරන්නේ? I go to events, I take this green color is clicked, then I put something called the forever block. Forever block. මෙන්න මෙහෙම forever block එක දැම්මා. හරි ඊළඟට motion එකට ගිහිල්ලා මෙන්න මේ turn කියලා තියෙන්නේ ඒ block එක දාලා අපි ඕක දෙක කරමු 2. ඊට පස්සේ අපි බලමු මොකක්ද වෙන්නේ කියලා. දැන් බලන්න. ඔන්න මෙයා එහෙම්මම කැරකෙනවා. හරි? ඒක තමයි වැඩේ. දැන් අපි ওই කැරකෙන එකත් අපි දාලා තියෙන්නේ. දැන් ටක් ගාලා කට්ටිය ඔක කරන්න එතකන් හංසනී ඊට පස්සේ හංසනී අක්කි කියලා දෙයි ඔයගොල්ලන්ට කොහොමද මේ ග්‍රාහකේ එහෙම යන්නේ කියන එක හදන හැටි කොහොමද කියලා එයා කියලා දෙයි. Yeah, and Hansani Aki will show you how to make this asteroid move around, right? So at the meantime, you can actually work on this and make this dog rotated quickly.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I don't think I'll be able to use Scratch right now because whenever I use it, like the laptop shuts down.
Oh, really? That's so unfortunate. Okay.
Plus, I couldn't hear most of the things when it shut it down. Like I couldn't hear most of stuff. Can you please send a link to your YouTube video after it's posted?
Okay, what I will do is I will share this video, okay, with you, with everyone. I will share this video with Nadishani auntie, and she will actually share with all of you. Once your laptop is fixed, I think there is a technical issue from the laptop. When it is fixed, you can actually look at this and learn from the beginning, okay? Don't worry.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. Okay, Hansani, you can take over.
Sure, Shiraz.
Yeah. So, Hansani, can you please teach us how to make that asteroid, that rock moving here and there?
Yeah. So I have already taken the sprite here, so you all can get it right. If you find it difficult to find, you can just type it here, and it will give the sprite. Okay. And here also, I want that to start moving when I click on the green flag button. So I'm going to add the same event to here when green flag clicked, and I want that to move towards Earth. So we all are in a big trouble because and a big rock is moving towards our way. Okay. I'm going to change the direction to Earth. It's moving towards Earth. And I want it to move 2 steps. Okay, first we will try. It's only moving 2 steps, right? So it's really difficult to click it all the way to the Earth, right? So now I'm going to do something else. I'm going to use a forever block to here. Okay. And I'm going to put this one here and put the forever block here. And
How did you switch the rockets colors?
sorry, I couldn't get you, my dear.
කොහොමද ඔයගොල්ලෝ ship එකේ colors මාරු කරේ?
It's like this. We have the change color effect. You have to click on the rocket ship here and go to that its own code. And there we have the change color block. Okay? You got it?
Yes.
Okay. So now I have used the forever block because it's really hard. It's really difficult to click on that green flag all the time just to move this one to the Earth. So I'm going to use a forever block and it will be moving towards the Earth now. And it's passing the Earth. So I want that to bounce if it is on the edge. Okay, to do that, I'm going to use here. We have in the motion section, we have if on edge bounce block here. So I'm going to move that inside the forever block. Okay, and it's going to be it's bouncing when it is on the edge. Okay, hope you all got that one.
Okay, next I will show them, the last one I'm going to show them is how to add that, what do you call, the star. Okay, so I will share my screen and then I will explain. I think you can see